السلام علیکم. امید ہے آپ سب خیریت سے ہوں گے. میں ایک سچی کہانی لے کے آیا ہوں, سچی سٹوری, اور اس آدمی کو آپ جانتے بھی ہیں ماشاءاللہ. ان کا نام ہے مولانا عبد الکریمی صاحب, جو امام مسجد تھے محلہ رحمانیہ آباد, مسجد رحمان آباد کے. تو بات ایسی ہے, ہم 3 دوست روز ملتے تھے اور نماز ہم پڑھتے تھے اسٹیشن والی دکان پہ. اسٹیشن والی جو ہے وہاں پہ ایک مسجد ہے کھوکھے کے پیچھے, وہاں پہ ہم سیر کرتے نا, وہاں پہ مغرب کی ہم نماز پڑھتے تھے اس امام کے ساتھ, اور سارا راستہ ان کی باتیں سنتے تھے, اور دوست پورے تک ہم واپس جاتے تھے. آئی ایم ٹاکنگ اباؤٹ ون آف دا گریٹ امام who are example for the people who are talking about God, you know. So we was the 3 friend, me, Abdul Sami, Meher Sami, one of the famous family from our town. His first son, he's good guy, good friend, and Maulana Abdul Karimi Sahab, because I have borrowed the book from my friend Karimi Sahab, Tablis-e Iblis. The book was Imam Ibn Jawzi. So I tracked it. I see so many things, which one, have to be described. So we discuss about this, how we are going to be deliver the message. So 3 people. So we say in the Friday lecture we choose first. So we request to Maulana Abdul Karimi Sahab, we inform in the Friday khutbahs. Yeah. So first Friday he talk about it. We was very happy unless we deliver the message. We was very honest. And the second, after Friday came and Maulana Sahab again speak, then the committee become angry. They say you are talking about us, because he was talking about the idea was like this, because when we see in the history, many Muslim history, Christian history, all the warrior, they fight each other, they kill each other, they rob, and they bring a lot of money, and they build big temples, big mosques. Still we can see, as they call as their properties. This is their big names. But God, you think God want we kill each other, rob each other, and bring the money and build the big houses of God, even temples, even mosque, even any kind of house of God, and we worship there? Ask yourself, ask your inner self, is God want that way? Is God want that way to kill or rob or steal or cheat his poor people, innocent people, and build a big house? You can see how many temples, big heritage. We have to help the humanities. That's called to deliver the message. You see, Prophet, peace be upon him, when he was alive, you see any big mosque, you know how the Masjid Nabawi look like? You all knows, right? So beware, don't fight for the religion and kill each other and win each other over, and come as a warrior, as a true warrior, and make it make a big house of God with the blood of innocent people and call we are right path. This is something right have to describe. And who's doing this? We are allowing to the kings, to the presidents giving ideas, being politician, and the religious people doing all they together using the religion about their purpose. Every religion, even he become by book or he become by inner thinking or self experience. He did not call you to fight each other. One, come challenge in humanity, in love. That's called learning. So we have to be, this is a very soft message, very soft message. If we did not change, if we did not forget, every nation, Jews asking, we are the God, superior nation. And the Muslim thinking as well, Christian also thinking as well. Why? God said, O mankind, I make you different color, different language, different races. You recognize each other. But from you all, the respectful people who fear to Allah, fear to God. Why? Because overriding, like did not change did not hurt the people, did not hurt the humanity, did not unjustice system like now how we are facing. You think this is not a over mistake? As a Muslim, I am it. I know we are the more responsible. What is happening? We will be. I'm asking as a Muslim. We all, in the day of judgment, we will be in very worst place because we have to deliver this message by action. But no, we forgot our mission. So that's why even our books, look at what happened to Quran. How many thousand books we are reading? One book we cannot read. Try to understand. This is the sciences what he said about this book. I'm not asking go to this book only. You have your own way. I respect everybody. But please be honest with your work. God don't want a big mosque or temples. He wants love. Recognize each other. Thank you very much. I love you all.